Okay, so what I noticed is that when I actuated this lever, this little wire didn't come over all the way in the switch. So all I've done is I've just bent this little tab over just to give it more action on this. Okay, so to reassemble this, I've got my vice grips back on the handlebars again to keep the brake in. There's a little brake pad. You just have to line up the keyway with a notch in the flywheel. Big flat washer on and the 3/4 nut. Okay, we'll tighten up the nut. Good and tight. Okay. Next is our shroud. Since we got the back two in, we can snug these up now. And next we'll mount our gas tank, pushing into the back clips here. Okay, so we'll try it now. We'll put a couple of primes. Okay, that's on this lawnmower. It also has a split spark plug key. I'm going to change that for the guy. Cut it off. So I've got the lead off, and I have another kit here. Okay, so our old boot, we're just going to put a little lube on here. I'm just using liquid wrench, but you can use anything. Put it on here. Just going to force this in. Just going to grab the electrode holder inside, get it square. All the lubricant off. Presto. Okay, next we're going to change this air filter. We have a Tecumseh Power OEM filter here. To do that, we just have to pull off this outer case here. Yeah, that's pretty dirty. Put the new one on. Make sure it goes right to the bottom. Give it a twist. It's good.